Hi there, guys. I'm coming back at you with another video, and this time, as you can guess, it's going to be a haul. All right, let's get started. Okay, I have a lot of stuff here, and some of this stuff, yeah, a lot of it I've already opened, but I'm going to try to do, the best I can. Right here, I ordered some glitters, and there are more, but I just pulled these out from Amazon. Yeah, I got these three, and they're chunky glitters from Amazon. And I ordered some more. I ordered some more glitter. They did not come in these containers. They came in little round containers, but I mixed some of them together because they were so similar in color. So I just mixed a few of them together. There were 6 of them. And one of them, sadly, I spilled. One I did spill. It's like a light purplish color. And I spilled that one, but I ordered another one to replace it. I ordered another set to replace it. Okay, I ordered these, and these are some flames. You can see I got one outside of the container, and that's what they look like. These are different color flames. And these are little circles. Different color ones. And this is a box of glitters. And yes, I've used a few of these. I was practicing with some of them, but this is what they look like from the bottom view. Okay, and I ordered, and as you can see, yeah, I did open this, but these are some glitters. They're almost like these. They're not quite as big as these, but yeah, I ordered a pack of these. I think all this stuff so far has come from Amazon. And I also ordered this. And on the inside, it has different, you cut them up and you can do little shards on your nails. You can see they have a picture of it on the inside. I saw someone do a video on this, so I ordered these. I actually ordered a different kind, but the other kind did not come. So I ordered this. Okay, get it over here. I ordered this. This is the second one I ordered. It's a USB port. It has 6 ports on it. And you plug it in. And I have another one that's a black one. The black one sticks to the disc. This one does not seem to stick. This one. I've got my other item plugged in, which is this. I ordered this from Amazon. The port came from Amazon also. I ordered this so that I could cure whenever I use my practice hand. So I ordered this one for that. It is so cute. Look at there. Cute little design. And that's where it's plugged in at. Okay. I gotta turn it over. I also ordered these. I ordered these from Glam and Glitz. These are some glitter acrylics. And I just ordered different ones. I think these are all from the Fantasy acrylic collection. And I will see if I can't open it so you can get a nice look at it. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. Look at there. And don't mind my nails, guys. I'm in the process of redoing. And here's the number. This one is fairy dust. And I didn't show you the one from the bottom. This one is vamp. The first one I showed you was vamp. Okay. This one is Night in Paris. And you can see it through there, but I'm going to show it to you. Oh, that's gorgeous, guys. Look at there. Can't wait to try these out. And this one is Beautiful. And look at the glitter in that. That is so beautiful. And I can't really wait to use those, try those out. Okay, now I want to show you things that I got from Dipped in Pretty's website. I think I already showed these, but I think I showed these in another video. These are the Louis Vuitton glitters. The Louis Vuitton glitters. I think I showed that in another video. And I also have these. These are the Louis Vuitton foils. There you go. And I showed these. I already have a designer set. So I got those. I also got, I think I've shown these before. I know I showed this one because I already had this one. And I ordered 2 more of those, the Louis Vuittons, for that one. I ordered some of these, which is very popular right now. The butterfly stickers. Ordered that one. And this one. And I ordered this one. Then I ordered more Louis Vuitton. Y'all can tell I love Louis Vuitton, can't you? And I ordered these. And I ordered these. And this. Last but not least, these. Dipped in Pretty. I ordered these foils. I just ordered 2 boxes of, excuse me, of these from her. She's continuing to get very nice things in, guys. If you want to order from her. And last but not least, this I ordered a face mask. No, I did not order this from Dipped in Pretty. I got this from, I think it's an Etsy website, an Etsy site. Okay, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this haul. And I will talk to you in my next video, guys. You have a wonderful, beautiful day. And don't forget, subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. All right, guys. Bye-bye.